manufactured here. I will show you some departments like LCM and TP. Come with me. This important building of the company. Here is office. Here works some departments like sales, marketing, engineer. There is a big showroom inside. You are invited to meet this showroom. We have some important words: professional, creditable, and successful. Words of DWIN put in a stone in front of office. Everyone in this building, DWIN manufactures cover glass. This building, the cost of this building was 110 million RMB to have the best technology to produce the best cover glass. And in this building is manufactured LCM, building of LCM. Like I show you, here is cover glass building. This is LCM. And over there is TP. TP building, touch panel, resistive and capacitive. The best touch panel you will touch in your life. And in this big building, 22 floors, works a quality department, warehouse, assemble to supply our buildings. And when all this place is finished in line production, from this place are shipped to customers around the world. Yeah? Here is TP building, touch panel. I was inside this building. I could see with my eyes production line of touch panel resistive and touch panel capacitive. In the production line there is high technology machines.